Let's pack today's lunchbox, my friends and followers. Today we're making them some Big Papa loaded chili dogs. But not just any chili dogs, okay? We're gonna slit these mother truckers, stuff them with Monterey Jack cheese. Oh my gosh, I almost ate my tongue there. Then we're going to wrap them in bacon. Pop them in the air fryer at 400 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes until the bacon gets nice and crispy and the cheese is nice and ooey gooey. Now, when making these Big Papa wieners, I like to make like some sort of a car seat. That way no se vaya a caer everything y valga burger el asunto. And I steam and spread mayo all over my buns, add our wiener, and then we're gonna add some homemade chili that I made with some tri-tip. We're gonna load them up using all of the toppings necessary, like some cheese, onion, tomato, a little bit of avocado, some cilantro, and some jalapenos. We drizzle with some sour cream, a little bit of nacho cheese, and then we're gonna top them off with some crispy shoestring fries. That's what they're called. If not, I just renamed something. Now for their drink, nobody had an option. Everybody took the damn soda. Then I get everything ready for them so they can come pick up during lunchtime. Bye! Let's pack today's lunchbox, my friends and followers. A couple of days ago, Josiah was like, Mom, it's my friend's birthday, and he really wants to try one of your Big Papa burritos. You know, the one with the fries? Okay, so your friend wants a California burrito for his birthday. Let's make it. So I'm going to begin by making a simple marinade for the meat. Seasoned it with a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, some lemon pepper, and then I make a slurry using some onions, garlic, and a little bit of jalapeno juice. Then I cook the meat, got our fries nice and crispy, and I begin to form our burritos. I did a layer of some refried beans, and then I put the cheese right away. That when we start stacking up all the layers, the cheese can be nice and melted. Did a little bit of Mexican rice, a couple scoops of the carne asada, some fresh pico, a couple handfuls of those nice and crispy fries, drizzle with a little bit of nacho cheese, some fake avocado sauce, and some sour cream. And to top it off, I did a little bit of jalapenos because I know Josiah is not really into spice, and I did not really know how his friend's spice tolerance was. He did hit me with the curveball though. He was like, Mom, my friend likes no vegetables. All he wants is everything that you put in it and then maybe some of the sauces. I was like, does he not know the type of burritos I make, kid? I like to put everything in the burritos. But you know, it's his birthday, so we're gonna make the burrito his way. And we wrap up the burritos, put it in the box with a little side of some salsa, and then I took it to them to school for lunch. And there you have it, guys. That was Josiah's friend's Nate birthday lunch request. Bye! Let me show you guys a quick recipe idea, especially for those teens who are home from school, starving like Marvin because your parents are still at work. We're making eggs and weenies, but on a stick. My little egg machine did not come with the little bamboo stick, as it promised, so we're going to use a chopstick. We just skewer the weenie, put it in the hole, and then we drop our egg and let it cook. Then this is what it looks like. Now you got weenies on the stick on the go. I make these in so many different ways. I literally spent all day making these rolls. I think I was just having way too much fun. This one, I put a flour tortilla inside the little hole, and then I mixed my eggs with bacon, potato, and veggies, and then it came out like this. They're all different shapes and sizes because I was practicing. You can also freeze these and then just have them ready for when you go to school. I already know we have the what if you don't like eggs people on the comment section. We'll skewer a breakfast sausage, drop some pancake batter, and now you have pancakes on a stick. But if you're just planning on sitting at home and just having a little chillaxing day, you can just cut them up, make yourself a little side salad like I did. A little bit of lemon pepper to my tomatoes, trust me, a life changer. And this is what your breakfast looks like. So there you have it, guys. Hope you like this recipe. Bye! Yesterday, I made pupusas de birria, and I had some leftover dough, and I don't like eating the same shit, so we're making something else with it. What if we make a pupusa taco? I love pupusa revueltas, which is chicharrón, beans, and cheese. I didn't have chicharrón, but I did have carnitas, so that's how we're making them. Who the hell do these people think they are? So we make the pupusa, put it on the comal, let it get nice and crispy on both sides, and let the cheese start to ooze. Like this, queen. We're not gonna rip them apart, okay? That's just me showing you guys. We are gonna top them with carne asada or whatever your favorite taco filling is, whether it's chicken, lengua, whatever the hell. Or cebolla and cilantro, because what's a taco without cebolla and cilantro? Curtido, because what's a pupusa without curtido, right? You know we can't forget about the salsa, because what is Nana Joe's food without raging balls? And this, my friend here, is the pupusa taco. Pupusas alone are bomb, so are tacos, but when you put the both of them together, it's really a dish you need to try, my friend. There you have it, guys. Hope you like this recipe. Bye! Let's pack today's lunchbox, my friends and followers. Now, since today is Mexico's Independence Day, I decided to have a little fun with their food. We're gonna make them some green and red enchiladas. I'm gonna begin by making the sauces. Now, I wanted the chicken enchiladas to be green and then the tri-tips to be red. We cook and shred our chicken and then we cook our tri-tip using like a taco seasoning blend. Now, for the tortillas, we're gonna warm them up in some hot grease and we're not gonna let them get nice and crispy. We're just gonna warm them up through. It's just to prevent the tortillas to absorb too much sauce and then they're gonna get soggy and not good. Stuff them with my meats and cheese. Then I'm gonna put 6 of these. The 2 first ones are gonna be the chicken ones, so we're gonna do the green sauce. Then the last ones are gonna be the tri-tip ones, so we're gonna do the red sauce. Now for the white, you can either do a white sauce or just do a little layer of sour cream and some queso cotija like I did. Also did a little side of rice and the little toppings on the side. Now for the drink, I did say we're celebrating, so I'm gonna make them a little adult juice. And don't worry, because my people's responsible and they're not gonna drink their drink till they get home. We're making them a spicy michelada with a little bit of happy juice. I do add a little bit of tequila, and then for the beer, I'm gonna use this one only because it's all the vibes. So that is it, guys. I'm just gonna get everything ready for them, including their drinks, so they can come and pick up during lunchtime. Bye. Packing lunch for my husband because your girl is leaving. Now, I know this might sound weird to some of you guys, but every time I go on work trips, I like to leave breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the people, just to give me a peace of mind that these mother triggers are not going to starve, even though I know that sometimes they just go get takeout. So we are going to begin by making them some breakfast, okay? So in a pan, we're going to begin by rendering some bacon, making sure it gets nice and crispy, leaving the fat behind, and then crisping up some potatoes. I didn't record that because I was on a phone call, you can tell, but the AirPods in my ears. Now, I burned myself a couple of times making this video, so if these mother truckers don't eat these burritos, we have a problem when we get home. I burn my armpit, then I burn my face whenever I put the eggs in there, but my spirit did not die. I also add some cheese in there, let that get nice and melted. Warm up my tortillas because I cannot tell you guys enough. When you guys ask me how my burritos don't crack, that's because you need to warm up the tortillas, guys. But anyways, I made a couple of huge, big pop-up breakfast burritos, and then I wrap them up in parchment paper, and that is going to be breakfast for them. Bye!
Y'all better come up here and get one of these.
What's that?
It's a chicken salad.
From where?
81st Deli.
What's on it?
Superior. I got chicken, pickle.
Hey,